How to use CapCut QR codes to log in. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to use CapCut QR codes in order to sign in to CapCut. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, open any web browser on your device, maybe that is Safari or Chrome. Now click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in CapCut.com in order to get the web version of CapCut. So we have successfully landed on the section where you have to click Try CapCut Online at top right corner of the screen. Now on this page, a pop-up menu box has appeared where we can sign in with Google, TikTok, Facebook and CapCut Mobile. Also you can enter the email. But for now, we are here to use CapCut QR codes in order to log in. So you have to click Continue with CapCut Mobile. Once you click on it, a pop-up menu box with QR code will appear, which you have to scan with the help of your mobile. So in your mobile device, you have to open CapCut and go to the Me tab at bottom right corner of the screen. At top right corner of the Me section, you will get three lines. Tap on it and at top right corner, again you will find the scanner where you have to tap on it and scan the QR code available on your desktop or PC. And after that, you can easily log into CapCut using the QR codes. So that's it. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.